First straightforward question. Are you borrowing the money or your own hard-earned money you are spending? First question.
Yes, sir.
Question number 1. Okay. Borrowing money. Not at all recommended, single paisa also. Okay.
Yeah.
One thing. Second thing. Listen very carefully. If you are doing in the grand way, okay, here the function you are doing means all well-wishers should come. They have to wish. So your kids require their wishes. Okay, like so that thing is the more important than full grand like. So we thought that I saw multiple functions. Okay, whenever I went to the function, next the function should be better than this. I require to do that. The people are going to remember my function forever. Okay, like you are thinking, Sunita. You are thinking. Assume it is a common human psychology. Okay. So here just observe that is if we are doing with a bit less budget, what thing we are missing, what thing we are getting, think about that. Okay, think about that. Just I will share my example so that if there any chance to map with you, you can check. I took very recently one car, Fortuner car. I took very recently. For that number, compulsory I want to take a 7777, even if the cost is the 10 lakhs also, like I told to the showroom guys, and I want a TG07 series only, because my next continuation number 7777 only, here also 7 must be there. Like I took arrangements, I took all my old cars are same number only for this. Then at the time, what happened is psychology of money. I handled just I had a small analysis I did. By taking this number by paying almost around 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs around 5 lakhs. Just the number taking, what is the advantage I'm going to get? Okay, just everyone felt that wow, fancy number, too good like. Next, some people may not observe, some people may observe, some people may admire. Matter of just 1 minute or 2 minutes. Just I thought that if for these 5 lakhs separated, next after 15 or 20 years, with these 5 lakhs returns amounts only, I will buy my next car. Sunita.
True, sir. Yes.
I will buy my next car.
Yes.
Next
Yeah.
car. Next more valuable car I can buy with the same amount without paying extra amount. Just today how much I require to spend for my car number. With that, again another big Fortuner car I will take after 5 years.
Yes, sir.
What is the after 20 years? What is the need of taking? So can I take normal number like I thought? Can I take a normal number like I thought? Then automatically I told to my mother. My mother told her, this is the exact statement my mother used. So now you are thinking in the correct way. Like my mother told, yeah, perfect. I decided I don't want to go for fancy number, normal number, no problem. Normal number, no problem. I decided that day. Earlier, everyone should respect me, should admire me. Okay, there should be some special, I'm the special person, like such type of feelings I have. But these feelings creates a bigger problem.